We're going to speak with Chicago native Matt Lindner, who is in Jamaica right now, talking about some of the preparations and what's going on. So thank you so much for getting up this morning with us. I'm sure you probably really haven't slept that much in the overnight hours.
That's true, Laura. Good morning from the grill. Yeah, it is. It's pretty calm and hot and humid here right now, as you might expect, although we are obviously expecting that to change. I was talking to you before this. This is the most I've ever tracked the weather on a vacation in my life. We're definitely well aware of the storm's path, that it is going to hit Jamaica later today. Being on the northwest side, I think that helps us a little bit in terms of the winds and maybe some of the damage being a little bit less than they would have if we were in the direct path. But we're definitely taking this seriously, following all directions from hotel staff. The vibe has definitely changed here over the past day or so, as you might expect. You go on these vacations and it's relaxed, it's upbeat, and people are out and they're having fun, they're at the bar or whatever. And last night fewer people around, as you would expect, right? Because nobody knows what to expect at this point. We know there's going to be a storm, we know there's going to be rain and wind, and we're just hoping for the best at this point.
Walk me through some of the preparations. Yesterday you said there was a town hall. What was the vibe during that conversation?
Yeah, it was fairly informal. It was really, the hotel staff had handed out flyers on Monday night saying, hey, we're gonna have this town hall yesterday, and then it was really just kind of hotel staff at the main entertainment area, just answering questions and telling us, look, things are gonna be okay. We've got backup generators and everything like that. And I think we realize how fortunate we are to be in a situation that we are in, but also, it's still not ideal.
And this is a family vacation, so obviously the conversation of leaving has been talked about, but it sounds like it just wasn't possible.
Yeah, logistically it would have been tough, and right now the airports at Kingston and Montego Bay are both closed. Obviously, wrangling everybody, it would have been tough getting from here to the airport because there's no. It's an hour and a half, 2 hour bus ride to the airport, and so it was something we definitely looked into. Logistically, couldn't make it work, but we're here and we're doing everything we can to stay safe.
Absolutely. Well, we will check in with you throughout the day. Things are really going to change. It's almost a little unsettling seeing how calm it is behind you as the storm approaches the area. So you are with our thoughts through the day today. We'll check in, Matt. Take care of yourself and your family as well.
Thanks, Laura. Appreciate it.
Thanks.